In this lecture, we are going to learn how to interpret various points, lines, circles on Smith chart and read, plot the impedance value using Smith chart. The learning objectives for this lecture are: describe various points and lines on Smith chart, write the value of impedance from the given point, and plot the impedance from the value. Smith chart is invented by Philip Smith. It is a useful tool for solving transmission line problems. Basically, it is a polar plot of reflection coefficient, and we can use it for plotting various parameters of the Smith chart, such as normalized impedance, VSWR, reflection coefficient, etc. The Smith chart looks like the diagram which is shown. It is Z type of Smith chart. When we move on the transmission line, then on the Smith chart, moving on transmission line is indicated by moving on the outer circle of the Smith chart. If you move in the clockwise direction, then you're moving towards generator, that is from load to generator. If you move anti-clockwise, then you are moving towards load, that is from generator to load. When you move on the transmission line, the distance covered or the distance moved on the transmission line is indicated on the outer circle, as I have already told, and it is written in terms of lambda. So that means if I want to calculate the distance traveled between these 2 points, starting from this point, which is the starting 0, and I want to find out how much is the distance covered till this point, then it is to be read on this Smith chart as 0.06, and it is written as 0.06 lambda. So if I travel the entire Smith chart, then the perimeter of Smith chart is lambda by 2. That means if I start from 0 point and I travel half the circle, then the distance traveled is 0.25 lambda, and when I complete the circle, then the distance traveled is 0.5 lambda. Now let us see different lines and circles and points on the Smith chart. The central line, which is shown by black line, all the numbers which are written on these black lines are normalized resistance value, whereas these lines, which is nothing but a part of a circle, if you consider this line, a circle can be completed like this. Similarly, here a circle can be completed like this. These circles are called as constant normalized reactive circle. The circles which are on the upper half of the Smith chart are inductive reactance circle, and on the lower half of the Smith chart are the capacitive circles. These circles, which are nothing but a concentric circles at this point, are called as normalized constant resistance circle, constant R circle, and the value of resistance is for this circle is where it cuts the black line. So in this case, this point is R is equal to 1. So this circle corresponds to R is equal to 1 circle. These 2 points are called as short circuit point and open circuit point, because here the impedance value is 0 whereas here the impedance value is infinity. Now let us see how to plot the impedance. So we know that the impedance is written as R plus or minus jx, where R is the resistance and x is the reactance. First we find out the normalized impedance by dividing by Z0, which is nothing but the characteristics impedance, whose normally value is 50 ohm. Now let us see how to plot this point on the Smith chart. So as you can see, this point Zn is the intersection of two circles, which are constant R circle and constant X circles. So constant R value is 0.2, so I have to find out which circle crosses 0.2 value here. So it is this circle, and constant X circle value should be plus 0.5. It is on the upper half of the Smith chart. So this is this circle. The intersection of these two circles is nothing but impedance value Zn is equal to 0.2 plus j0.5. So this intersection point is plotted, which is the normalized impedance value. Now let us see, if I want to write down the value of impedance at this point, how to write down. This point is on the upper half of the Smith chart, so it's going to be a reactive impedance. Now it is the intersection of two circles, which is 0.5 and plus 0.5. Therefore the impedance value is 0.5 plus 0.5. Similarly, if the point is on the lower half of the Smith chart, then again it is the intersection of 0.5 and minus 0.5. It is written as 0.5 minus 0.5. And lastly, this point, the impedance value is written as 0.5 plus j1.